So let's go to the post section. In post, these are 5 options: all posts, add new, categories, tags, copy a post. In all post, in this blog, up till now I have made 3 posts. So in all posts we can see the previous posts which we have published or which we have not published, but we have written, and WordPress saves such posts as the draft version. So here you can see these 1, 2 and 3 posts. The first post is published and the last these 2 posts are not yet published. So these are available as the draft version, as you can see here, and this is. So these 2 are draft version, these are published version. And WordPress allows you to modify the published posts as well. So if I want to edit this post, I can modify this post by this edit, and if I just click this edit, it will take me to the point where I can modify the content of this post. Or I can go to make a new post. It will be easier for you to get this concept if I make a new post. So let's add a new post. If I click this add new, and it takes me to the screen where I can enter the data, and here I have to enter the title here and the content here. So I have copied the title and I just paste in the title. Now I copy the content. So here I just put the content. Now we can do different formattings with our text. In WordPress we have 2 modes. Either we have a visual mode or a text mode. Currently it is a text mode, and the other is the visual mode. So the difference between these 2 modes is, in the visual mode we are just copy pasting the text, and in the text mode it is actually we are using the HTML version, and you can see this P tag here showing the paragraph, the start tag and the end of P tag. So in the text mode you are actually writing the HTML code, and definitely in between any tags we can place our content as we have done here. So you can write your post either in visual mode or in the text mode, whichever is comfortable for you. WordPress allows you different formatting options. This whole line shows the available formatting options. Similarly, these options are available here also. So you can apply different settings and you can arrange your content or you format your content as per your requirement. So here you have different options, like we have currently we have the paragraph setting. We can change it to the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. As you see, the size of this heading 1 is larger than heading 2 or heading 3. So you can format your content and you can make some content maybe you can format content, you can apply different settings to your content. So if I have to apply this heading 1 setting to the text of WordPress, I should move the content to the next line, and just select this WordPress, and then I apply this heading 1. So you can see the bigger size of this content, and if you see in this text mode, you can see these H1 tags. This is H1 closing, this is H1 starting tag. So these tags are applied. So here you are seeing these tags, and visually you seeing a larger font. So you can apply format, you can apply different formatting to your text using these available options. And I will recommend all of you to experiment one by one with all of these things. And it is really a very easy tool, just as you are comfortable with Microsoft Word or any other word formatting tool. This particular tool is used to insert hyperlinks. For example, if we have to hyperlink any text, for example, I want to link this particular word, features, to the URL, to this page. So I just copy this URL and I just can hyperlink this word by using this tool. So here I have to mention the URL, I have to copy paste the URL, and suppose I write the word features, and we can add link to this WordPress page. So once you have done with your content, you have written your content, then you have three options. Either you save it in drafts so that you can publish it at some later time, or you can preview it instantly so that how your blog will be looking after adding this content, or you can straight away go and publish this content on your blog. So let's try how it previews. So here the page is open, and here is the text we have placed in on our blog. So you can post content on your website, on your blog, and this is a preview version, and it will not be publicly viewable because it's right now in a preview mode. So if I just go back and publish it, then public can view this content. This is the publicly viewable blog. If you see this URL, cp2k12.wordpress.com, I have opened it in Google Chrome in separate browser. So here you cannot see your post which you were viewing in the preview mode. So if we just go there and publish it, and then we come back here, we can see that post here. So let's publish it. So it responds you that it has published the post, and let's see in Google Chrome. So if I refresh the browser, and let's see. So here we see the content which we have recently published, and this was the post which we made the last time, and this is our recent post.